when we introduced the idea of trigonometry, we talked about what these sine, cosine, tangent things are. And all they are is a ratio of one side length to another side length. So don't let the names mess you up. Just understand what the names mean. They're a ratio. And as a ratio, it doesn't matter if the triangle is really tiny or really huge, the ratios of the sides will always be the same for any given angle. To demonstrate what these ratios mean, we'll take the three basic ones: sine, cosine, and tangent. When we're looking at a triangle, we have to consider what opposite and adjacent hypotenuse are with respect to the angle that we're dealing with. In this triangle, we're going to look at it from this angle. It's a right angle triangle. Remember, for us in trigonometry right now, we're only studying right angle triangles. The side opposite the right angle is always the hypotenuse. So in the case of this triangle, here's my right angle, there's the hypotenuse because it's opposite of the right angle. From this angle's perspective, my adjacent side is one right beside me that isn't the hypotenuse. That's the adjacent angle. This side over here is the opposite side. So from this angle, this is my adjacent side. That side way far away is the opposite. Now if we look at this triangle, again it's a right angle triangle, so that's my hypotenuse. If I'm looking at it from this angle's perspective, looking outward, there's my opposite side, and this side is my adjacent side. Then to figure out the ratios, it's just, in the case of sine, the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So from this angle's perspective, the sine ratio would be whatever length this side is divided by whatever length this side is, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine ratio is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So again, from this angle's perspective, the cosine ratio would be the length of this side divided by the length of this side, the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. The tangent ratio is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So once more, from this angle's perspective, there's my opposite side, divide that by the adjacent side, and that'll give you the tangent ratio. So you divide different combinations of sides depending on whether you want sine, cosine, or tangent.